Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
Open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Remove the access panel. Unclip the housing panel. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1209 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Your cabin filter should be changed every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Reinstall the housing panel. Reinstall the panel. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.